we're gonna get into this muscle right here. This is one of your outside muscles called your lat. We're gonna get in there, we're gonna press into the outside part, we're gonna get into this connection part using PSO-RITE. Now, when we get into this area, there's not a whole lot of muscle that's going along the rib area here, so we're not gonna be pressing too hard, okay? Because it also comes all the way down and connects further down here. So we can work into this area where there's more muscle, lightly get into this area, and then press a little bit more up into this area. There's more muscle up in there. And I can do this all from my side, laying like this. So I can get into that. This is also getting into that other lower back muscle that can be really frustrating. It's called your QL. That muscle can get tight if your psoas is tight, if your quads are tight, it's pulling your hips forward, which then shortens up that back muscle, which then can also make your lats tight. And so that's why I always suggest, if you're gonna, once you start to massage using the PSO-RITE, get into your psoas, your iliacus, that front side first, then get into the quad area, hip, glute area, help clean up that to then get your pelvis in a better position, and then go back into those problems that are what you think are potentially the issue that's causing it. More likely, it's all coming from the front. Because we're a society that is staying in this hinged over position. We sit a ton. It's our primary mover for walking. The psoas area, the quads. Now all I'm doing is I'm just now slowly working my way up my body and opening up this space here. I'm still bracing with this elbow, and then I'm just finding muscle and rotating my body. And I'm just doing that light little pass first. And when you get up into this, it's either on the lower part, you're gonna feel tension because of those other muscles there, or you're gonna start feeling more tenderness up here. There's more trigger points and stuff up in this area. And when you find a spot, like right now, you can kind of maybe see me, I'm pressing into it, and then I'm rolling over a muscle there to help clean up that spot. Now I'm gonna work all the way up, literally right into that, not the inside part of the armpit, I'm still on the outside part of the armpit. I can do some rotational stuff here. This can help clean that up. Moving the arm can help clean that up. And different placements of the peak. Okay? Give this a go. It's gonna be tender, especially up in this area, so go nice and slow. Don't overdo it. Do a little bit in the morning, do a little bit in the afternoon, do a little bit before you go to bed. And make sure you're also doing workouts to help strengthen that area, bring blood flow to that area. All right, have fun with this one.